Hey besties, so I received the coolest PR package from Sally Beauty, and since I feel like it's December 1st, I put up my tree yesterday. It kind of feels like I'm unboxing a present for Christmas, so I want to show you guys what I got. Alright, so this is all the stuff that they sent me. I'm actually using this ring light and the stand right now. Alright, so I took everything out of the box, and I guess let me show you everything I got. The first thing we have is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray. Actually, this is like my mom's favorite product, so I used this a few times. It's just a little bit more on the pricier side, and I never really wanted to spend money on it, but now it's kind of neat that I get to try it out. Alright, next I have Ion Leave-In Treatment Healthy Scalp Solution. It soothes and refreshes with heat protection. Okay, I need anything for like heat protection when I curl my hair or blow dry and whatnot, so I'm excited to try this. Next we have the buildup remover. Okay, I'm really excited to try this. I never tried like a buildup remover, but I heard really good things about this, so I can't wait to try it. Next we have a Ion shampoo, and then this is the conditioner. I used to love this stuff. Well, I never tried the conditioner, but I tried the shampoo, and this is really good. All right, next we have this is Ion Booster, and apparently you mix this with the bleach or your hair dye, and it's supposed to like boost your hair so it doesn't get as damaged. And then this is the step 2, which is the color sealer, so you put this on after you shampoo your hair. And I'm really excited about these two products. So this is the Dashing Diva Glaze Semi-Cured Gel Nails. I never tried like my own at-home gel nail kit thing. And then we also have a mini LED lamp, so this is really exciting. And we also have the Vela Color Fresh Mask in the shade pink. Should we bring the pink hair back? I don't know. I feel like I had orange hair for so long. Maybe we can switch it up with this. We'll see. Guys, look how cute this is. So this is like a champagne poppies, right? And it's a seed sprouting kit. So I get to grow my own little flowers. I can't wait to try this. This is so cute. So that's it. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for sending me all of these goodies. I'm super excited to try everything. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on some of these products, and I'll give you a little update on how I like them.